Hi, today I'm front of me VIVO V15 Pro and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first, open the control panel and find here the screen record icon. If you don't have this icon here, tap to these three dots and you will find your record screen icon here. So just hold it, drag it to the left side to add this option to your panel, and after that, before starting your screen recording, you should hold it for a while. You'll see here record sounds section. Now we have selected no, so this means that you'll record the mood videos. You could use only the system audio like the medias, the ringtones, the microphone audio to command something, and also we could use them both together, the system audio and the microphone sounds. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.